You all know Google Assistant and most of the people barely use it. But to be honest, it's such a useful thing that makes things easier than ever. So watch this video till the end, because in this video, I'm going to be showing you some cool tricks that you can do with your Google Assistant. So sit back, relax and watch this video till the end. And by the way, if you don't know who I am, I'm your host Arnav and you are watching Tech Arena. So let's go. Alright, so the trick number 1 is photo search. Have you ever got really annoyed searching for a particular photo of yours in the gallery, scrolling all around? Well, don't worry, your assistant is there to help. Just simply call your assistant and say, show photos of me. Now the assistant will start showing photos where you are there and you can choose from that which you need. Or if you want to see the photos that was shot in a particular scenario, like for instance dark or in a light environment, you can simply call the assistant and say, show photos of me in the dark. Now the assistant will show photos of you in a dark environment. If you ask it in a light environment, it will also show photos in the light environment. This trick is really cool and helps you reduce the time to search for a particular image that you need. Now for the next trick, imagine you are in a restaurant or a coffee shop listening to a particular music and you really want to know what music or what song it is. Then you don't need to actually worry about it because your assistant can find what song it is for you. To do that, just call your assistant and say, identify the song. Now the assistant will enable the microphone and start listening to that song playing in the background and will find what song or music it is. Now the accuracy rate of this particular trick is 99%. So most of the time the assistant will tell you the perfect song that matches according to the audio that it listens to. So this is a really great and reliable trick and is better than the Shazam one which exists on iPhones. The next trick is really funny and kind of useful. So we all play cricket, right? And at that time when we need to toss, we might not have a coin. We end up doing odds or evens. But don't worry, Google Assistant can toss coins for you. Simply call the assistant and say toss a coin and it will toss a coin. It is really great and it is very accurate. So the next time you don't have a coin while playing a cricket match, just ask your assistant to toss a coin. So the next trick is really useful when you are in a dark room with a lot of stuff in your hand and really need a torch badly. So at that time, simply call your assistant and say turn on the torch, which will actually turn on the torch of your smartphone. And not only that, you can perform many system-wide settings like turning your Wi-Fi on and off, turning extreme battery saver mode on and off. So these are some of the things that the Google Assistant can do in terms of system-wide settings. The next trick is really helpful for the people who love taking selfies. And sometimes while taking selfies, your hand might not reach the shutter button. And at that time, it's really difficult to take the selfie, but you actually need to take it. So for that, you can call your assistant and ask to take a selfie. Just call your assistant and say, take a selfie. Now, it'll automatically launch the camera app and start taking selfie with the 3-second timer. You can also set custom timers like 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 8 seconds and 10 seconds according to your preference. So the next time when you are in a tough situation to take a selfie, just call your assistant and ask help for it. Alright, so this was a short video on some of the cool tricks that you can perform with your Google Assistant that is very helpful. So what do you guys think about these tricks? Let me know that in the comment section below. Which one of these tricks is your favorite one? Let me know that also in the comment section below. And as always, just drop a like for the efforts taken to make this video possible. Share this video with all of your friends and subscribe for more interesting tech content. Just click the red color subscribe button and make it great. And also press the bell icon to get all the notifications of our upcoming videos. So this is me, Arnav, signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one.